This morning, Dad has dropped Bella and Peppy off at an art class. "I'm so excited," squeals Bella, skipping towards the classroom. She wants to paint so many things: a dolphin, a spaceship, a family picture. Suddenly, she stops. Inside the classroom, all the other boys and girls are already chattering. Bella shuffles in. Her legs feel wobbly, like noodles. "Hi, you must be Bella," exclaims the teacher. "We're going to start soon, but first, why don't you get to know everyone?" Bella nods slowly. Her hands are sweaty. She's turning into jelly. Shyly, she tiptoes towards a group of girls. "Hi, I'm—" "What did one cow say to the other cow?" begins one girl. "Please move over." Everyone giggles. Bella backs away. She has a problem. She wants to make friends, but she feels too shy. "Are you okay, Bella?" twitters Peppy. Bella shakes her head. I feel really nervous," she mumbles. "Everyone already knows each other, but I don't know anyone." "It's okay to feel shy," Peppy comforts. "Making new friends can seem scary at first." Bella sniffs. "But what do I do?" "Let's ask TikTok," cheeps Peppy. Bella taps TikTok twice. "TikTok, I have a problem. I want to make friends, but I feel really shy. What should I do?" TikTok lights up.
"Bella, you have 4 choices. You can introduce yourself to a group. You can ask someone a question. You can go home. Or you can say something nice to someone."
TikTok explains.
Bella thinks. Choose before she blinks.